Network Entertainment.
Napansin mo na ito, yung mga taong secure don't have to explain themselves, they don't sound defensive, and almost most of the time, tahimik sila. If you want to become a confident person, you got to listen to this episode.
Hi, I'm Chingitan and you're listening to Chink Positive Podcast, where I aim to equip you to become wealthy and debt-free, teaching you on how to save, budget, get out of debt, and invest. Let's get into the episode.
Hi there, this is Chingitan, your pambansang wealth coach. I've been in the space of teaching personal finance for almost 2 decades already. And for a long time, there are so many people who are confused between confidence and performance. Ang inisip nila kasi confidence look like, yun nga, kailangan ready ka parate, kailangan perfect ka parate, you answer fast, diba? Hindi ka nag-iisip, you never hesitate. And yung mga iba naman, iniisip, pagka yung mga taong quiet, hindi nagsasalita, o hindi sila hindi sila confident. Well, actually, if you want to be honest with yourself, lahat tayo may ganitong moments. We have moments that we are quiet, we are steady, we are thinking, but that doesn't mean say that you are not confident. Do you agree? And here's what I slowly realize. Yung mga taong maiingay, minsan, sila yung mga defensive, sila yung mga insecure, sila yung kulang sa confidence. May mga kakilala naman ako na talagang, nako, di ba, hindi masyado nagsasalita, very firm. Diba? Yung tahimik lang, nakikinig lang, pero ang galing, successful talaga. Kasi the confidence is not a reflection on the outside, but confidence must come from the inside. Do you agree? Confidence isn't an emotion that you chase, but confidence is a personal relationship. When you say personal relationship, kilala mo yung sarili mo. Kilala mo yung values mo, kilala mo yung decision-making process mo, kilala mo yung timing mo, kilala mo yung season mo. And you don't have to announce anything and you don't have to prove anything to anyone. Alam mo, kunyari may nag-flex, oy, laki ng benta ko, laki ng ginagawa ko. O sige, good for you, pero ikaw tahimik ka lang. Mas malaki naman yung ginagawa ko kaysa sa'yo. Kasi confident ka, hindi ka insecure. If you are the type of a person na kailangan mo i-prove yung sarili mo, kailangan i-flex mo yung sarili mo, I don't think you are confident. You may look confident on the outside, but the inside, you are insecure. Kaya nga gusto kong sabihin sa iyo, kapatid, diba? Hindi mo kailangang magpakita, hindi mo kailangang mag-flex. Sometimes, yung confidence is really simple. Yung alam mo nasaan ka, alam mo kung ano yung katayuan mo, alam mo na okay ka. Because one thing that I also learned in life, if you stand for something, you will not fall for anything. But if you do not stand for something, oy, nako, maniwala ka. Oo, pipilitin mo na mag-flex, pipilitin mo na magpa-impress. Ito na lang gawin natin. Oo. Why don't we do it today, di ba? Later today, I want you to be more conscious and I want you to observe yourself. Observe yourself within the day na hindi mo kailangan magpa-impress. Observe yourself today na hindi mo kailangang i-prove ang iyong sarili. Yung one simple conversation, one decision, one ordinary day, where you don't need to prove anything to anyone. Doon magsisimula ang confidence mo. Guys, if you stayed until this part of this episode, probably it rang a bell in your mind and it hit a nerve in your heart. So I want to really encourage you. Choose something. Stand for something. Diba? Be confident on who you are and what you're doing. You don't need more proof. You don't need other people's permission. You just need to trust in your God-given calling and talent. Again, as we end, paano malaman na confident ka? Kalmado ka? Hindi ka maingay? You don't have to prove anything to anyone? And you know yourself, you know your values, what you stand for? And then you don't need to feel ready in order for you to get started. All you need to do is just do it. So ngayon, let me ask you this question. Do you think after this episode you can say that you really are a confident person or an insecure person? Something to think about. If you do like this episode, please save this episode as a reminder. As I always say, to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always. Think positive. Bye.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.